Well, there we go. We've got this Rotel RVC240 from one of our customers, immaculate boxed, and it's working an absolute dream. Get rid of the burner brigade. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, and yeah, I'll plug my speaker in.
Yeah, when you decide what you're plugging in, you plug it in and let me know.
There we are. I've plugged in whatever I was plugging in.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that with a tone control.
Roger that. So we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing place and doggy daycare, which seems to have customers.
Good.
No, Carson must have walked in again like someone the other day.
Yeah, they get all this free advertising from us nearly every day.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Lancaster service station 159.9 and 183.9. So not great on petrol, diesel's better than most.
Roger on that.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
What you got? You were going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Have you got a mic gain on that?
No, negative, I haven't.
Roger. Well, that sounded better. I think you were backing off the mic a bit.
Quite possibly, yeah, it does have mic gain, but it's full where it should be.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
What have you got? You going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford on the road south? Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on Rotel.
Road south. RVC240 Cybernet 1340, I think, from 1981, doing a full 4-1 output. He does have one of those pure normal switches which might work or might not. So I'm going to just flick it into clear. There we are. It's clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are, back into normal. Over.
Yep, roger that. Just avoid running the geese over.
Oh, it's the same use space as it was last year.
Kind of. They seem to have gone on to the grass at the side of the road, probably to feed.
Roger.
Saw the van in front of me swerve and thought, what's he up to? And then I spotted the geese, so I think he was just giving him a wide berth.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. And you were received loud and clear, no problems, I forgot to say, because I was too busy spouting about geese.
Roger, did you note the clear normal thing?
Yeah, it does exactly what you think it's doing. It takes it from normal to tinny.
Roger, okay, well, it works on this incredible.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so full about for doing 1.12 amps on the Rotel RVC240. Going to go to the low power, set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 543. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yeah, no problem on full power, but it seems very noisy tonight. Low power was no go really.
No, it's going to get like that as we're into summer soon. Right, I'll keep going, you ready?
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, 159.9, 189.7.
Roger that, was tree, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. Over Rotel Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rotel Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yeah, it's 159.
Roger, that worked a treat. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Right, worked brilliantly. Off we go and have a listen to it through the base station on the Midland 76900, which of course has exactly the same Cybernet 134 chassis that this does.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC240 into our Midland 76900. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, power 4, 3 to 1, pop it onto low power. We're on low power just as a hum test. If there's a hum, it would diminish on low power. There we are back on full power. So next set, hopefully tomorrow, will be a PNI current model. Somebody's managed to